Very saddening to see what is happening now with the doctors on strike. The people who are going to suffer are the ordinary people who cannot afford, they cannot afford to buy medicine. So this is also an emergency and something which the leaders of our country have to address. They have to sit down and talk with the doctors and say, where is the problem? Is this something which can be solved? Is it about money? Is it about this and that? Why don't they sit down and bring this strike to an end? Because people are dying, people are suffering, the poor are the ones suffering most, and therefore it really it's a very urgent situation which needs to be looked into. We are seeing now issues about fake fertilizers. That is, and the fertilizers is supplied by the government. So definitely within that chain there is corruption somewhere. There is somebody who wants to benefit from our farmers, and we are saying no.